Want to learn how to change birth date on Facebook? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorial Spawn. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, to change the birth date on your Facebook account, first of all, go to Facebook and open up the app just like this. Make sure to get logged in, just like me. Since this is just a demo account, I haven't sent any friend request to anyone, but it's fine, it's gonna work. For that, you need to tap on these 3 straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on your name along with your profile picture, or you can tap on see your profile here. Tap on edit profile next to add to story. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of edit your about info. Tap on it. Scroll down. Under this basic info section, you can see your birthday here. That's on February 8th, 1998. So to edit it or change it, tap on edit on the right corner straight to basic info. So you can see that currently my birth date, month and birth year is visible here. So to change it, you can tap on date at first and you can choose any of the date just like this that you want to change to. Tap on OK when you're done. Tap on your month as well. You can change the month just like this, and then even your year, and then even your year. You can choose again for your year as well, just like this. Tap on OK. So for this, you need to confirm that you're at least 21 years old. Tap on the square box straight to I confirm that I'm 21 years old on the right corner. When you're done doing all, tap on save on the top right corner. So you can see that it's currently being edited. Just wait for it. And yes, you can see that my birthday has been changed from February 7, 1998 to 10th June 2000. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.